Hello, my name's Evren Ryu. I am from Calm Chaos Crystals, and I am here to talk to you about opal and its metaphysical properties, where it's from. Now let's get to it. Opal comes in many variants. Usually it is a clear, almost sheeny color. But I have here to show you other variants. It can come in blue, green, pink, all the way from that white pink to a darker pink, and this black, brown, or what some people call coffee opal. Now, the soul of opal is mystical. Found in Australia, United States, Peru, Brazil, and Mexico, it is quite common. Many variants of this soul are discovered, provided enhanced openings of specific chakras. It diminishes sadness and replaces with childlike wonder. All variants open the crown chakra for mind, body, and spirit connections and angelic clarity. Now, the crown chakra is located around your head. The name opal is derived from the Sanskrit upala, meaning jewel. And what a fine jewel these souls are. Provided in this opal soul community is pink opal. Pink opal not only does everything I just had stated, but it also opens the heart chakra, which is around your heart. It renews love and acceptance to work with water elements. Water elements deal with emotion, healing, cleansing, purifying. Those are the specific attributes to the pink opal. Now, the green opal, or also known as pistachio opal, also opens the heart chakra and aids in times of transition and change. So not only does it do what all of the other opals do and what the pink opal does, it is also a stone to help you in times of change. Now, the brown, black, or coffee opal opens your Earth Star chakra. Your Earth Star chakra is located 12 inches below your root chakra, so 12 inches below your bottom, your physical body. It anchors with an immense surge of power your chakras to the earth's core. A very grounding stone. Next is the blue opal. This blue opal opens your third eye and throat chakras. Your third eye is located between your eyebrows, and your throat chakra is located at your throat. The blue opal shields you from psychic attacks, which correlates with your third eye chakra. And it heals communication, which is correlated with your throat chakra. And as you can see, all of these opals have a bit of the black and brown, which means that it has the same qualities as that stone as well. Thank you for watching and learning a little bit about our opal community at Calm Chaos Crystals. Please visit us at calmchaoscrystals.com. Thank you.